Hi guys, my little friend here had a little accident when he was out walking in the woods. He fell over. So I can have a look and well, have a look at him. I suppose it's an autopsy really. Alright. He must have fallen over really badly. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. That LED is missing. That one's loose. That one's okay. That one's loose. That looks to me like a microphone, because it's supposed to be voice interactive. There's a push button or momentary switch just there. There's another one there that's damaged. Not sure where that is. This is the bit that turned the legs, because the legs only turned sideways, they didn't actually walk, and that's driven. Is that just the one motor, or is there two motors? I can only see the one motor. That's literally all it does. Just moves that peg a little bit. Is that the other way up? Yeah. So we just went like that. That's all it did. So these are the switches, on, off. That was the language. Can we see that? English, French, German, high, low, off, on, and FX. I will take this apart in a minute, but I'm just thinking about trying to connect a battery up to it temporarily and see if anything still works. Oh, the other thing that moved was he had a little sort of orange flap on his head that went up and down, and that would have been this piece. But that fell off in the woods. That's obviously the speaker. I'll see if I can attach a battery to it. That's the Bluetooth receiver, I think. Right, we're missing a surface mount LED just there. We're missing one just there. I don't. Oh, these are these switches I keep talking about. That one looks okay. That one's missing the plunger, and that one's missing entirely. But that's got R. That one's got M. And that one, where do I see it? It's got L up the side of it. Can you see that in the camera? Just there. So remarkably little damage to the main board. Oh, that one's loose. But no speech. Okay, well I think that'll have to do for now. That's disassembled him. Oh, well we could have a quick look in the gearbox, couldn't we? Don't know that we're going to see very much interesting there, to be honest. Taken out 2 screws, and then there's a clip on that side and a clip on that side. Lift it off carefully. Disconnect that from the looks of it. Okay, so there we go, a gearbox. Some of them turn, where are we? This one on the bottom. That's the pinion gear on the end of the motor. So that turns that one. These gears are the ones that move the head, or at least that little flap on top of his head. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not particularly excited or interested in the gearbox. Let's see if we can get it back together. Okay, that's back together. That bit was on there, wasn't it? If you're wondering why he's moving, it's because I'm operating the app on my phone. And he should be talking. Well, I've spent a bit more time fiddling with this. I thought the speaker was undamaged. And, well, it is, but the actual connection just here is faulty. And if I short across it, from there to there, if I can hold it still, and operate my app, so it's survived. I just need to do a little bit of soldering on that speaker and it's fine.
Do you really want to hurt me? I mean no harm. I fell over when I was walking in the woods. I fell over when I was walking in the woods.
Great. All that I want. Job done.